Montreal, Canada, Tuesday, February 18, 2025.
This is what it is to be Canadian, my friends, okay?
More than 70 centimetres of snow blankets and paralyzes Quebec, Montreal, with roads and vehicles buried in snow, on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, as a blizzard continues to hit. Authorities have issued an extreme cold weather warning, urging residents to stay indoors due to dangerous conditions.
No chance! You're such an idiot! You're such an idiot!
Enfin, moi je suis en train de rouler. Le voie a juste laissé ça plat. Il a bloqué toute la rue. Yo, je suis saisi. Yo, la tempête est en.
Gina Ressler, a meteorologist with Environment and Climate Change Canada, ECCC, said 2 storms in Montreal in just a few days, and the city broke a record for a 4-day snowfall total, the highest since records began in 1941. If you look at those storms, we didn't really break any records. But when you put them together, these 2 storms coming one after the other, it's pretty extraordinary.
You wanted to be Canadian? You wanted to move to Canada? Here you go, look. This is one night of snow. Look, my door is snowed in.
A big snowstorm is not unusual, but one snowstorm after another with very short intervals, to clear roads and so on, that is very unusual. Also, we had a snowstorm on Sunday, that is also quite unusual in Montreal. It is really an extraordinary situation. About 73 centimetres of snow fell by Sunday, with another 2 centimetres falling on Monday morning, for a total of about 75 centimetres of snow over 5 days in Montreal, he concluded.
Hey Valerie! Oh, this is what you want? It's so see!
City spokesman Philippe Sabourin said, "We just went through an unprecedented storm, with almost 74 centimetres of snow, accumulated in a very short time, leaving Montreal buried." He also said that several flights were cancelled, and public transportation was delayed, as roads collapsed due to the heavy snowfall. Snow removal crews, numbering almost 3,000 workers, and 2,500 snow removal vehicles, were overwhelmed in the city's snow removal operations. With the freezing temperatures, there are health risks, especially for people without adequate shelter.
I can't get out, so don't worry. Perfect.
He also reminded residents not to leave their homes unless absolutely necessary and to use public transportation, as travel is expected to be hazardous due to reduced visibility in some locations. The province of Quebec was previously under a blizzard warning by Environment Canada, and parts of Ontario were hit by high winds. A blizzard warning has been issued for Sunday, after another major snowstorm dumped an additional 40 centimetres, and on Monday, winds of up to 70 km per hour will cause flying and drifting snow and reduced visibility to near zero. Montreal city officials are asking residents to be patient, as snow removal operations will take at least 8 days, and trash, recycling and composting services are suspended for a week. Parking restrictions remain in place and must be obeyed, so crews can do their jobs, because if they have to go around obstacles, it will slow down the entire process.
Gitu.